Hi friends, let me show you my new YubiKey security key for my applications and websites or any electric equipment. These physical keys are great because when you want to log into a service that is important for you, you can have a password, of course. You can have a second step authentication like an application or a phone call or an SMS message, but also you can configure physical keys, okay? I have my main Yubico key here in my keys. I bring it with me always, but it is recommended that you have a second one, a spare one, as a backup. If for any reason you lose the first one, you will have your spare key that you can keep in a safe. For example, you will be able to log into your applications, okay? So these keys are really, well, small, practical, easy to carry with you. As you can see, you could put it here in a key ring, or as I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to keep it in my safe because I have my Yubico key here, okay? Let's try it. When you want to configure a new Yubico key, you can do it in different ways. It will be registered once for every application or website where you want to use them, okay? I'm going to configure this spare key, remember I have one already, in my Google account, okay? You go to Google account security, and then you look for access keys and security keys, okay? So these are the two keys that I have already. Dashlane is a software key, and my YubiKey, this is my main key, okay? I'm going to register a new one, so I can log into my Google account with either one of these, okay? You should select here, create a new access key, then use another option, and here you could scan this QR code if you are going to create a digital access key, or you want to insert and touch your physical access accessory, okay? So this is the kind I want to do. You just connect it to the USB-C. It will ask you for a PIN just the first time you use it. Okay, now you want to touch it where it is turning on and off. And that's it. Allow this side to see your security key, allow. And there it is. I have a new access key to my Google account, okay? So you have to register your key for every application that you want to use it, like Facebook, LinkedIn, the Google accounts. Every application will have a different way to register them, but this is the basic instructions. Now, as you can see, I have two keys. My primary YubiKey key and the new one, okay? I also have some digital access keys, but these physical ones are great as, well, if somebody have your password or even your phone to be able to get the second level security codes, they will need your physical key to open your application. Of course, that's something you will configure at the application level, okay?